In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Squarespace. We'll start right inside your site editor so you can make clean, professional changes that carry across every page. Open your website in the Squarespace editor and head to the Pages panel. From there, click Edit to enter the page editor. Now scroll to the very bottom of the page and select Edit Site Footer. This switches the canvas into footer mode, so you're working only on the area that appears across your entire site. Begin by cleaning up anything you don't need. Use the Remove option to delete placeholder sections or blocks in the footer. If you see a confirmation, choose Remove again to clear it out. Keeping your footer lean makes it easier for visitors to find what matters. Next, add structure back in. Click Add Section and choose a simple layout. Blank is great for full control. If an extra section appears you don't want, remove it. Then add the section you do want one more time. This gives you a fresh, tidy foundation. Now add your core elements. Insert a site title block so your brand is clearly visible. Click to highlight it and use the floating toolbar or settings to adjust its style. Choose a text category or heading style that feels consistent with your design. Highlight again if needed and confirm the category or style you prefer, so typography stays cohesive. Add a text block for practical information like a short description, address, or a copyright line. Use Add Block to open the library and place the block where you want it. If you'd like the title to appear in another column or above a link list, you can insert another site title block and highlight it to refine alignment and spacing. Drop in one or two additional text blocks for quick navigation, legal links, or contact details. Highlight each block to format text, set link styles, and ensure contrast is accessible. Keep lines short and scannable so the footer doesn't feel crowded. To include social icons, choose Add Social Link. Add the platforms you use and paste profile URLs so visitors can follow you. Keep the icon style consistent with your site's look. And don't overload it. 3 to 5 is usually plenty. Wrap up by editing any remaining text for accuracy, then click Save at the top to publish your changes. Give the footer a quick check on desktop and mobile views to confirm spacing, readability, and link behavior. With these adjustments, your Squarespace footer will be clean, consistent, and genuinely useful on every page.